Hi, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button below. Stop working hard. It's actually making you fail. Most of what you call grinding is just a trap designed to keep you exactly where you are. You don't have a talent problem, you had a myth problem. The standard advice for success, it expired years ago. Today, we're burning the old playbook. I'm breaking down the 7 lies sabotaging your progress, starting with why consistency is actually a scam. And pay attention to myth number 4, because it's the exact reason most people quit 24 hours before their biggest breakthrough. The truth is, low-effort consistency is just stagnation in disguise. If you do 100 days of mediocre, you just become an expert at being mediocre. Intensity is what moves the needle. The truth is, waiting for the perfect setup is a form of procrastination. Apply the 90-10 rule. Take the 10% you have right now and force it to do 90% of the work. The truth is, every time you switch tabs, you lose 40% of your IQ for that moment. You aren't juggling, you're dropping 3 balls at once. The foundation is set. But these next 4, these are the psychological invisible walls. If you've ever felt like you're running through mud, myth number 4 is your culprit. It's the most expensive mistake you're currently making. Myth number 4, the safety trap. The hook is that avoiding failure is the fastest way to fail. If you aren't failing, you aren't collecting the data needed to win. My advice, start a rejection streak. If you don't get rejected 5 times this week, you aren't playing big enough. The truth is, learning without doing is just entertainment. Analysis paralysis is just lazy thinking with a fancy name. The truth is, doing it all yourself isn't a flex, it's a bottleneck. Scaling requires letting go of the steering wheel. Everyone expects a diagonal lineup. In reality, it's a flat, boring, painful horizontal line followed by a vertical explosion. Most people quit while the line is flat. They don't realize that the flat line is the only thing that supports the spike. If you're bored, you're actually winning. Knowing these myths is the cure, but knowledge without a system is useless. I've mapped out the exact 24-hour routine to bypass these myths and trigger that vertical spike. You need to see this next. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification for the next video.